Decorative DIY orange flowers. Make my easy decorative orange flowers as a perfect DIY that looks beautiful displayed as part of a centerpiece. Add these to a jar with other potpourri items for a fragrant and beautiful display that is great for any season. You may also love these great potpourri recipes that are ideal for adding a natural scent to your home. One of my favorite healthy snacks is a nice ripe orange, since I almost always have them on hand. This idea came to me recently to use the peel to make something both beautiful and functional. There was no reason for me to keep adding them to compost right away. Instead, I can add them to my decor and add some bright fragrance to the room at the same time. If you want a flower that will last longer, then you will love this tutorial for how to make flowers out of jeans. Such a cute idea that displays well for any season. While this craft is to make flowers to go inside a jar with other dried leaves and potpourri pieces. You can definitely display this in other ways. As you can see in my pictures, I added them around the jar in some decorative hay. But you can get creative and add them just about anywhere. I think they would look great in a centerpiece alongside these cute flowers made from old book pages. Just place them in a shallow bowl with some dried leaves and decorative hay. Place the paper flowers and orange flowers in the bowl on top of the leaves for a perfect centerpiece. Other ways to display these are to attach to floral stems and put in a vase. Lay in a shallow bowl with water or ice for a party. Or even freeze into ice blocks to decorate a punch bowl. Unlike regular flowers, these orange flowers can last for quite a long time. Yes, they do start to break down just like any food product. But in this case, you will see them dry out significantly first. In fact, depending upon the humidity in your home, they may dry completely before they start to break down or grow mold. Typically, I have seen these last for 2 to 3 weeks before I felt they needed to go ahead and be added to my compost. Begin by gathering your supplies and preparing your workstation. For this project, you will need a knife, cutting board, and of course, the oranges. To begin, you can place the dry leaves into the bottom of the jar. You can add in cinnamon sticks, dried fruits, and other small pieces like acorns or nuts that fit the theme. Fill your jar to around the 1/2 point, leaving room for the orange flowers to go on top of the other items. Now, you will begin peeling the orange. Start with using scissors to cut open the orange, and then slowly peel around the orange, just separating the peel from the flesh of the fruit. Be careful not to break this, as it will need to be whole for your flower. Next, you will wrap the peel into a circle with the middle being tighter and the peel looser as you get to the end. You can arrange the peel to show some of the white and some orange to give it a bit more natural look. Grab your favorite snack to create this cute decorative orange flowers project. Use the peel of a simple orange to make a beautiful and fragrant addition to your decor. Next, you will use a sharp paring knife to continue cutting around the orange, carefully keeping the peel intact while you remove it completely from the flesh of the orange. Xmas crochet kit la 4 seasons amigurumi Christmas tree, candle, angel, material set, festive winter decorations, DIY, text source dyingcrafts.com.